In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use multiple Chrome browser and multiple Google accounts at the same time on one PC. This is perfect if you are managing work accounts, gaming accounts, or anything that need separate browsers. Just open up Google Chrome. In top right corner, click on the profile icon and select Add Chrome Profile. This allows us to create a completely separate Chrome browser. Can choose to sign in with a Google account or continue without an account. I'm going to continue without an account. Select the profile icon and give our profile a name and confirm. I'm going to name it as for YouTube video. Then select done option, it will be saved. If you want to use multiple Google accounts at once, simply sign in here just by clicking on profile icon and select sign in to Chrome. Sign in here using a different Gmail account. Each profiles will have its own bookmarks, history, and extensions. And now I successfully logged into an account. To switch between profiles easily just by clicking on profile icon and select the profile you want to use. For example, I'm gonna use this for YouTube profile, and this is my YouTube channel. Opens up as you can see. I'm gonna make this on left side. On right side, I have two profiles in here as you can see. Click on the profile and select manage Chrome profiles. And as you can see, this is my YouTube channel and this is what we created just now for YouTube video. And that's it. Now you know how to use multiple Chrome browsers and multiple Google accounts at the same time. So whenever you want to open the Chrome just like this, just in our desktop shortcut, open the Chrome like this and you will see all the Chrome profiles, guys. You can even though create more profiles just by clicking on add. You can remove the profiles just clicking on this three dot icon and select delete option. The profiles will be removed. As you can see, browsing history, sign in methods, everything will be removed and select delete option and it will be removed totally. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.